Good evening. My name is Samantha Hevage. Uh, this is my first uh, YouTube video session for the Edexcel and Cambridge students. So I thought that why not I am starting the YouTube channel for the Edexcel and Cambridge O-level and A-level students. And in here, what I am going to do is I am going to, do the most of the subject matters of the students, and I will help them to, as a support, I will help them to boost their IT skill set or the knowledge and the industry, and I will share the most important industry experience. Let me tell about myself, a small description about myself. I'm an IT engineer, so I have been working more than 15 years industry experience. I have been working many of the multinational companies, especially Unilever and Linde Group. So I was employed at DMS and even Indian company called Unisys. Yeah, so in those in my industry experience, I have been working as a many yeah, representing as a many roles. For example, from the very beginning, hardware engineer, then network engineer, then again service desk engineer, and system administrator, system engineer, a lot of positions in a related which is related to IT. I have been held in my professional career. So that's a little bit about me. So I have been qualified by through my college is NIBM. I have been qualified through NIBM after I done my higher studies. I have finished my BCS, British Computer Society. Then I have been gained various professional certification like Microsoft, MCSA, MCSC. Even I have been familiar with Cisco certifications. I am qualified Cisco engineer. Uh, Plus, currently I am doing my MSc in Colombo in East of University in East of Metro Campus. So while doing these things, so I will be helping to uh, students and I am sharing my skill set knowledge with the students, and then I thought that they can boost their knowledge and skill set and they can pass the exam very well. So that is the ultimate goal, and I am mostly handling online classes for the Edexcel and Cambridge students, even from foreign country students also there. And I have been teaching Cisco certification, especially in CCNA certifications. So that's how I am engaging with the IT teaching for the moment. So this is very first video for this my Cambridge and Edexcel YouTube channel. So I am planning to do many of the sessions for the student to gain their knowledge, especially related to the subject matters, right? So mostly I am conducting subject computer science, O level Cambridge O level computer science, Cambridge O level ICT plus A levels as well, right? A levels means in Edexcel AS and A2, and even Cambridge also likewise. Okay, first of all, so today I will be starting. This is my first section would be I am targeting on O-level Cambridge students. Basically, in this year, as my knowledge, the exam has been postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. So anyway, I think there will be exam on October, November there, so our student will be seated for that exam. So I thought that why not I'm giving some help for the students, boost their knowledge. And even nowadays we don't have any classes. Students can't go to go to the classes, so because of this pandemic situation. So, but most of the students are at home, so they can, they can listen and they can learn something. So that's how I thought. Okay, we'll start the first section, right? Okay, my section is this is for the Cambridge, right? Cambridge O level, computer science, right? Computer science. So this is so what I thought is I straight away started the paper, school paper, right? Specifically school paper. Uh, right. So this is school paper. So I'll open that paper, right? Right. So this is the paper. Okay. Okay. First question. This is actually so what I'm so we are doing as I said O level Cambridge O level, right? Cambridge O level computer science, right? This is the paper computer science, right? The subject is actually paper number is 2210. 2210. This paper is paper one. This is the kind of a paper one. This is from kind of a this is from one of the international school paper. The school paper. So we will discuss. Then actually the students can gain some knowledge. Yeah. First question. Digital lighter. Digital light meter has three-digit LCD. Okay. The value of each digit on the instrument display is stored as a 4-bit binary number in register. Right. You know that this is regarding straight away. This is kind of a binary, right? Binary representation. What? This is binary representation, right? So here these are decimal values, right? These are decimal values. This is nothing but decimal to binary conversion, right? This is nothing but decimal to binary conversion. So our students, already knowing these stuffs. So digital light meter, there's a light meter. It has three-digit LCD, right? In LCD, you can display up to three-digit. So value of each digit on the instrument display stored 4-bit binary. That means the one digit represent 4 bits binary, right? So one bit represent you are using 4-bit registers. So these are the registers. Actually, what's the meaning of register? So register is a nothing but it's a place where you can hold some value, right? Or the data or the instruction. So we will come to late come in detail, right? We will come to late. I will discuss those things later. Right. At the moment, this is see it's straight away conversion, right? So if you say x value is 7 here, how come this 7? So binary. So I will take a 7. It's a 1 1 1 0, right? So this is what 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0. This is 2 to the power 1, right? So this is 2 to the power 2. Okay. So this is 2 to the power 3, right? 2 to the power 0, any of the value 2 to the power 0 is 1. Here 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3, 8, but here 0 means then 0. So if this calculate, right, we will get a value called 7. So this is how you are representing, right? So this is a decimal value, this is a binary value, decimal to binary, right? So if you take 8-bit values, I will tell you 8-bit. So that is, we say like this, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here, how it comes? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7, right? Okay, so the value is like likewise. So these are these values. How? So we will calculate. I will take another color. 2 to the power 0 is 1. Here 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 6 is 64. Right? 2 to the power 7 is 128. So these are the value. So if you can remember these values, very easy to calculate. You don't want to, do some, workings and to get the values. But anyway, for the exam, Cambridge O-level exam, you have to show the workings. So they will give the mark for the workings. Remember that. Working is must in a Cambridge exams or ICT computer science exams, right? So this is how the calculation goes. This is actually what binary to decimal or decimal to binary conversion. Okay, we will come to here. Again, the Y value is 4. How it represent the 4 digits register, right? 4-bit register, 4-bit binary register. 4, no? So if it is 4, 0, 0, 1, 0. It's okay, no? Right? That means 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. Okay. So here 0, 0, 4, 0. Total is 4. That's how this 4 is coming. Right? Okay. So 5. 5 is very easy. 5 also. How the 5 comes? Right? 1, 0, 1, 0. How it values? Here 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 0, 2 to the power 1 is 2, but here this no value. 2 to the power 2 is 4, there's a 1 value, so you are calculating these values. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. That's how this comes. So I think you are aware of this. This is very easy. This is nothing but this is just to write decimal to binary conversion. So these questions are very common to the Cambridge O-level final exam even, right? Okay. Okay, we'll go to the question number A. What value is shown in the display in the 4-bit binary registers contain? Okay. So what you want to do is you just want to calculate. Here, they are giving the value here 0, 1, 0, 0. So here x. X is what? Here only 2 is represented. So value is 2. Correct. Here, how about this? Here 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. Correct. Here 1, only 1. Right. Very easy. You will get a 3 marks. See. Very easy questions. Right. Right. We'll go to the second question. First question, part B. Right. What would be the stored in the binary 4-bit binary registers if the display shows? Okay. So now other way around. This is what decimal to binary conversions. Here, here, and here. Here, number 3, you are representing 1, 1, 0, 0. That is correct. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 2 is 2. Answer is 3. Correct. 8. How do you represent 8? 8 means 0, 0, 0, 1. That is, here all are 0. Here 2 to the power 3, no, 8. Then 8 is the value, correct. Right? Here 0, 0, 0, 0. Here value is, you are representing the 0, but we have to represent or stored in 4-bit binary registers. That is called 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? Okay, this is also correct. Right. Okay, we'll go to the third question number C. If any of the 4-bit binary registers X, Y, Z contain the value, right? So you will get a binary 4-bit binary registers contain the value registers X, Y, Z contain the value 1, 1, 1, 1. This indicate an error. That means like this. You have X, Y, Z, right? So they are saying contain the value here. First value is what? X. You have contain the value 1. Here 1, right? Here also 1, right? And here also 1, right? Okay. So okay. So if any of the 4-bit binary registers, right? So if this happen, what is this, right? So how this represent, right? See, see how could this error should be shown in the instrument display? First question. So how we are going to indicate? So normally, so this is kind of a error indications, right? I will come to later. I will come here. So I will explain this how I am getting the example for the printer, right? You can see there's a I think Toshiba. I think you most of you are aware of Toshiba eStudio. So these are the big printers, right? Network printers. Mostly in a communication environment, you can see these kind of printers. So these kind of printers having the here LCD display, right? Mostly sometime it will be touch display. So in that touch display, what you can see is there are options, right? Scan option, copy option, print option, right? There are user functions. There are a lot of buttons. So you can operate this display like this, right? Okay. So this is the screen. Actually, this is a screen, right? So sometime if something happen in this printer, for example, we'll say a printer in this printer, sometime the developer having issues, right? If the developer is not good, they will be generating error code, error ERR, something error 001, something like that, right? If something the drum is there's a issue in the drum, printer drum, right? Print drum. So at that time also there will be error code generations, something like that, right? So these are some predefined, actually these are predefined error codes, right? Every error code has a number, something like E001 or error ERR002 or error 501, something like that. So anyway, each and every error code having the exact meaning and what could be the error. So those information would be in the user manual of this document. Sorry, user manual of this printer. Right? Right. Okay. So that's how the error code generator. So you can show, or sometimes the system error, right? So those are the system errors. So automatically it triggers an error because of the malfunction of it could be a malfunction on the hardware. Mostly hardware. The error code generated for the hardware level. Sometimes even the software level also some error code will be generating. That possible. Right. I think you can understand now. Right. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. So now okay, so what would cause an error to occur? So what would be the reason? An error could be caused during the transmission at the number of to the register. So specifically, why this error, right? Because this is overflow, right? What could cause an error to occur, right? So here they are saying that, right? It's if any of the 4-bit binary registers X, Y, or Z contain the value 1111. This indicate an error, right? So how it see 111, what's the value normal maximum is? So this is 111. It normally it's if you take a binary, it's a 15, right? So what we can do here, right? If the value is 900, 900, 900 maximum, right? So how do you denote this, right? This is, you can say is X is 9 means what? 0, sorry, 1, 0, 0, 1. Again 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1, right? 4 bit. Again X is uh, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Okay, so this is 3 digits, no? Anyway, see, 3 digit LCD. So we can't go for 10. If you go for 10, what will happen? Right? If you go for 10, what will happen? 10 means you have to represent 0, 1, 0, 1. Right? This is 10. Right? Uh, right? For example, assuming that it's like this, we have 4, 5, 6, 2. Okay. Here, how many value? We have, is it a 3 digit or 4 digit? This is a 4 digit number. But we are only representing the 3 digits. So 3 digits, so that means we can go up to maximum 999. So that's why this is overflow. This value is overflow. Overflow means it can't happen because we are expecting only maximum it's 999. We are not going with the fourth digit, right? But if we go like this, it will indicate that as a 4 digit. So because of that, so there is error. So I think we have a marking scheme as well. We can refer that. Yes, here you can say that is flashing display digits, that is okay, error EEE. And here a fault in the system reading exceeded the value 9. So this could be fault in the system because of that, right? This error comes because of the fault in the system, right? So this kind of value can't happen, right? Okay, right. Okay, so this is C. So these are the questions. This is a very first question, binary, right? So we will go in detail and we will discuss these questions, more questions in later chapter. So normally my plan is to I will be limiting these most of my YouTube channel, I mean video sessions, maximum 30, right? 30 or maximum 25, 30, right? So 25 minutes. I think I will be stop this video at the moment, right? So I will be continue this paper from where I have stopped now. So please look at these videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the very first YouTube channel I think in Sri Lanka. I who discussing and this kind of support providing to the edXL and Cambridge students, right? So there are a lot to come. There are more to come. You will get a lot of knowledge. So we are still very in the beginning. So we will discuss a lot of topics, right? So then student can pass the exam very easily. So that's our main objective. So you will get the good knowledge, and this knowledge help you to pass the exam specifically. In the Cambridge examination, if you get some good marks for the ICT, right? So computer science. Anyway, after you A level, after you done O level, even the A levels. So if you are applying some degrees in most of the UK, USA, some foreign degrees, they will be checking the IT knowledge. How they are going to check? They are going to ask, okay, what kind of a result you have in O level ICT, Cambridge or EdXL exam. Definitely they will be checked, especially in the A levels, right? So that's sometime they will be treated as a valid point, right? So that's why everybody need to learn this ICT computer science subject, O level and A level, Cambridge and EdXL, right? Okay, so have a nice day. So we will have another session, right after this, right? I will wind up this video, right? Okay, take care.